Hello everyone, this is Shadil Khan and today we are going to start with the Chinese character course. So today we are going to deal with the character of fire. So moving on. So here we have our first character, that is fire. So the Chinese character that is based on pictograms, and we have to take care of the pictograms like it is the Chinese language is written in picture form. So with the pictures all the characters are formed. So in order to form this character of fire, we are going to take this picture and we are going to try to write the character for fire. So if you are going to look at this picture, and for woods we are going to draw this structure. This structure is for wood, like wood is standing, and for this flames we are going to write like this, all the these are all the flames. So in order to write the character in the transformed way, that how in Chinese it is written, so if you have to write a fire, then you have to make like these are the woods, and for flames you are going to write like this. So this is the character for fire. And the pinyin, like the English pronunciation, like in English characters how we are going to write, so we call that a pinyin, and it is written as huo, H-U-O, huo, with the third tone, and this is the character for fire. So today we are going to deal with the character of mountain, how mountain is written. So if you are going to look at this picture, so in Chinese mountain is written like this, it is written. So if you are going to look at the character, that it has been derived from this picture. So here we have a single stroke here, the middle one, and the left one is like this, and for the right one we have this stroke, and we are going to connect them all. So if we are going to transform this, and if we have to write mountain in Chinese, so we are going to write this as like this way, we are going to write this. So this means mountain, and the pinyin for this is shan, S-H-A-N, shan with the first tone, and this is mountain, T-A-I-N, mountain. So today we are going to deal with the character of volcano. So if you are going to take the example of these two pictures, that the fire and the mountain, so you might relate this in a form of a story, that a mountain which vomits fire, which erupts from where the fire is erupted. So you can remember this character like this, and in my previous slides I told you about the character for fire and the mountain. So we are going to write these two characters over here, and we are going to see that how volcano is written. So for fire we have the character like this, and flame we are going to make a flame, and for mountain we have the character like this. And don't worry about the stroke order, so it doesn't comes up anytime, so you can directly just memorize the picture first, and later on you can focus on the strokes. So if we have to write a volcano, so you have to write first the fire and the mountain. So in this way you can remember that huo shan, so that means volcano, C-A-N-O, volcano, that means that the fire mountain. So you can remember this like this. Welcome to my Chinese character course. So today we are going to deal with the character of car, how car is written, car or any kind of like cart. So here we have a Formula 1 racing car. So in Chinese, when you have to write a formula, when you have to write a car, so the character is like this. The character is like this. So you can relate this character with the character of this Formula 1 racing car. Like first of all, you have to make wheels like this. Two wheels are there, and how many tires are there? So there are 4 tires, so you have to write 4 over here. So in this way you can write the character. So again, this is like 4, and for the wheels you are going to make these 2 hung. So two horizontal lines, that is called hung. So it is called ch, C-H-E, ch, that means car, and C-A-R, car. So that's it for today. So see you in the next class with another characters. Adil Khan, and today we are going to deal with the character train, how the character train is formed in Chinese. So here we have the character fire and the car. So if we are going to write the fire and the car character both simultaneously, so that represent that the car or the engine in the ancient times which used to run with the fire, that means coal, steam engines. So that's why it is, the train is written as fire car. So for the character fire, we are going to write this character again, and for car again the 2 wheels and 4 for the tires. So if we are going to write this, the character for train is like fire, and for car we are going to write like this 4. So this will be huo, that is fire, and for car ch, C-H, ch, huo ch, that is train, T-R-A-I-N, train. So that's it for today. So see you in the next class with another character. Thank you everybody.